Hey guys, wanted to make a quick video to show the most expedient way to get into one of these Hypergo 14301 drift trucks. So if you run these trucks on 3S, which they are capable of doing, chances are you're going to chew up the aluminum spur gear. On these trucks, it's not super intuitive how to get to it, so I wanted to show the easiest method. It's just a few screws, not very many. So to get to the spur or the rear diff, it's the same process. You want to first remove the two screws out of your shock. The shocks will fall away. And then this screw holding the arm on, this one, same thing, take that out. Those two will be long, almost like pins. Pull those out. Pull your rear bumper off, so two screws on top, and then two screws on bottom, here and here. So after the rear bumper comes off and you remove these two screws out of your rear arms, these pins will pull out. And then inside here, there will be a pin corresponding to each of these in the bottom. You don't have to unscrew anything, they're just long silver pins. Pull those out, your arms will fall off. So the whole rear assembly will fall off. Shock, drive shaft, wheel, and arms will come off. Very easy. Next thing you need to do is have two Phillips head screwdrivers. You want to put one in the end of this red rod and the other in the front end of it and unscrew. One of the screws will break loose. It probably has Loctite. It'll take a little bit of force. After that, you just remove the inner shell stud posts. So remove this piece, two screws, take that out, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think 6 screws in the actual diff cover. So once you remove those 6 screws, there are 2 underneath these arms and then 4 on this section, I think. You can pick up the red rod and the diff cover all as one unit and put it off to the side. And there you'll have access to your spur gear and your pinion and also your rear diff. And it takes less time than this video to get it all apart if you have a little electric screwdriver. So hope this helps. It's not very intimidating, but if you're not used to working on it, then it can be confusing, so maybe this will help somebody.